Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria, and today on Dress Up Playdough, we are going to be making one of my favorite princesses. Can you guess who it is? That's right, it's Cinderella. Here's what you need to get started. You need a doll, blue Play-Doh, a Play-Doh rolling pin, and a Play-Doh knife. If you don't have either of those though, then that is okay. You can just use a real one, but be sure to ask a parent's permission first. Let's get started. To start by making our Cinderella, just take some Play-Doh and form it into a base so she can stand up all by herself. Then roll out some blue Play-Doh and cut it into a big rectangle. Then just wrap it around her waist. Now onto the shirt. To make the shirt, roll out some blue Play-Doh and cut it into a smaller rectangle. Just wrap it around her. Remember, Cinderella has the accent drapes on her dress. To make those, just roll out some Play-Doh and cut them into a U shape. Remember, we need two. Then, just place them along her waist. To clean up the look, I am going to roll out a thin rope of Play-Doh. Cut it down to size, then wrap it around her waist. Cute! Now onto the sleeves. To make the sleeves, just roll out some Play-Doh, then cut it into small but long rectangles. Then, just fold them back and forth, kind of like an accordion. Perfect! Now just attach the sleeves to her shoulders. Our Cinderella is almost done, but of course she needs her headband. To make that, I am just going to roll out some Play-Doh, flatten it out, then put it on her head. There you have your Cinderella. Here is the one and only Cinderella. Wow, doesn't she look amazing? What's your favorite part of the Cinderella story? My favorite part is when all the little mice and rabbits help her out to achieve her dreams. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm making next time on Dress Up Play-Doh.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.